Hey, Advanced Portfolio kids, I'm just here to touch base with you in regards to Schoology and assignments and all of that stuff. So I know that you already know how to navigate Schoology, but I am going to go over a couple of things that I want to draw attention to. So if you want to go up here and go to your course, obviously find the Advanced Portfolio class, and then you're going to look at this folder right here. All of the online course material will be housed in this folder, so it's easy to find. But also you want to look over here. I want to draw attention to a few things right here. If you notice, there is some consistency regarding the due dates for this class. Everything is due on Wednesdays. So you want to think of that as your advanced portfolio day. So your assignments need to be handed in on Wednesdays. When we do critiques, or conference calls, they will all be due and happen on Wednesdays. So you want to make sure that you set some time aside for doing that stuff on Wednesdays, because I will be here for you on Wednesdays. That's going to be my day to get a hold of you and to be your resource. Also, I want to draw attention that I still am going to be holding study hall time, which is the same time I always do it, which is on Monday nights. It will be from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So there'll be an hour of time where you can get a hold of me and talk to me through study hall times as well. So I will put all of the times for conference calls and study hall times in this folder. Look for that in the next couple of days, but I do want to go ahead and go here. I keep saying conference calls because I want to make sure that I can touch base with you face to face. And so you do need to come down here to this resource and app folder and go ahead and click on that. There will be an assignment where you have to create a Zoom account just so everybody has everybody's information and then we can get a hold of each other, because you will be having a couple of assignments where you're going to be contacting a partner. So everybody needs to have that information. But you're going to go here to this Zoom US, create an account, and then you're going to make sure that I get that information too, so then I can get a hold of you. So then we can talk face to face, okay? Also, if you're overseas, this is my QR code for my WeChat. Go ahead and scan that and add me. That's an easy way to text me. I also have a WhatsApp, and if you are interested in WhatsApp, then just let me know and I can give you my information for that. Um, so please remember that you do have stuff that is due. Before you left, you knew you had a body of work. We will still be doing shows. I'm kind of brainstorming on how we're going to do that, but I am going to start, like we are going to have a showcase of your work, and even if it's digitally, you will have an art opening digitally, just like museums are doing right now, like the Louvre and the Guggenheim. They are all doing online art tours. And so I think that's probably what we're going to be ending up doing right now. More information to come on that though. Okay. Just know that you do have assignments that are due. Hopefully you're at home and you are working on your body of work. Check out this folder. Again, this is the coursework that you're going to be doing. Obviously, you can actually see that there's some online critiques and conference calls with me. And so please be on top of that stuff. Just because you're not here in the studio and obviously at my house, you're still going to be doing some work online. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. Stay safe. We'll talk to you later.